Hey, Thomas, in regards to how would I respond to this situation and how would I prepare my HRM department differently to prevent this from ever happening in the first place, and how would I choose to develop an HRM department that is more proactive and less reactive to the situation. Um, so, firstly, I 100% agree with you. I think HR's job really should be to be proactive and educational, to be proactive in the hiring and the development process of the business itself. So, if this was my company and I was an HRM manager, I moved into this company, I think I would probably pick up pretty quickly on the general culture, if you will, that seems to have been persistent and prevalent within this company. So, assuming that was the case, I think I would initiate a training protocol throughout the company that would be mandatory for all employees at all levels to attend, and probably lay out some agreements of some kind of contractual agreement stipulating, hey, this is our policy as a business, this is how it matches up with the laws, and this is how we're going to execute on this as a business to make sure that we not only comply but create a culture that is beneficial and healthy for all of our employees. And then, since a lot of people are hard to convince, I would probably gather evidence and submit documentation showing how this could be beneficial to all, both the employees that maybe would be resistant to the change and perhaps most likely to be prejudiced or to be, I guess, in a sense, the perpetrators of this situation, and show them through documentation and case studies and so on how this is going to benefit the company both in its profitability and in its culture, and create a better work environment for them and a more profitable business, which will result ultimately in more profit for them as well. So anyway, I think that would be my main approach, is to tackle this head on and realize, hey, this is intrinsic. It's built into the company. It needs to start from the bottom up, top down. It needs to permeate throughout the entire company, or this company is going to have some problems.